Hey guys, I'm finally back with another video, and today we're going to be dropping the oil pan on my GR86. It's long overdue. I would have done this sooner, but I could finally afford the oil after buying the Tome. And I would have taken it to Toyota, but I don't really trust them.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm adding this to...
I
didn't mean to do that.
I'm adding this to your cash.
No!
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 Yeah, but I also got a new job at Jiffy Lube, so I'm pretty much a certified tech to be dropping oil pans. For those of you who don't know what RTV is, it's a sealant or gasket used to seal up the engine basically. There has been excess oil in the oil pan, which can clog up the oil pickup tube and cause boom. So we are going to drop the oil pan and check, and just in like 5 easy steps. So step 1, jack up the car. Maybe we should in the front first.
Yeah, take the back ones out. You're tipping this one.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Move your hand. Let me see. 1, 2. Lower one down.
Yeah, you know, I've never thought to count the teeth on this.
Seriously? How do you do it?
I just kind of eyeball it. Step 2, take the access panel off. There's more. Are these 10s, bro? And then hop clips. There's 7. Wow, it's stuck. Bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my fucking god, dude. Is that how it's supposed to be? Like, it just wants to break. Step 3.
Drain the oil.
Fucking loud ass Civic, bro. Look at that.
Step 4, take off headers.
Yeah, you just unplug this one, okay? I can't do it. Ah, fuck. How do people do this shit?
2 O2 sensors, one for the front, one is in the rear.
So we had to take the intake off so we had enough room. Okay, the black one has all these fucking clips like those, and we needed to take off the intake because the last one is, I don't know, it's an odd place. These are 14s, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, how do I do this? Do I have a 14 wrench?
You have a 13.
No 14. Oh, so 14 is the one that I'm missing.
Yep.
Header is now out. Now we can finally take the oil pan out. That's step 4. All right, so we just took the pan bolts off, and look at the amount of RTV on these bolts. Literally insane. So I went to Home Depot again and got this.
3 hours later.
I actually got this off. That took like 2-3 hours. I found RTV in the pickup. Not too much, just a little bit. Now we gotta just put everything back.